to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are very close to Fort Myers Beach, this community called Bellamar. My wife just got this listing and she asked me to shoot a video. I'm sorry I don't have too much information on it because she just got it. And what I'm gonna do is, if you like the condo, just go ahead on the description below and hit on the link and it will take you to the full report of this unit. So that way you can see all the information that what this unit offers, okay? I'm sorry about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough so you could see what this unit is all about here. So you can see, it has a very nice kitchen. Over here, you got your washer and dryer. Forgot to show you in the entrance, you have this nice door here, glass door, so you could leave it open for more light. This is a second floor. Over here you can see the dining room. One thing about this condo that is nice is that it has the sink right there. So that way if you have guests, you could be entertaining them on the dining room or in the living room over here. So that's pretty cool. And over here you can see, you know, it's pretty big size living room. It's all tiled. Let me show you the tile. It's all tiled. Bedrooms, the whole condo is tiled, so it's nice. Over here you got an extra closet. And this is the master bedroom. Check it out. You see how big it is. Pretty nice size. One thing I forgot to tell you is that the ceilings in this place are very high. Let me show you. You cannot even see the fan. You see how high the ceilings are? Probably over here probably is 10 feet, and then over there's probably 11 or 12 feet. So makes everything look bigger. I hope you can visualize the size of the room because it's pretty nice. Let me show you the ceiling on this side here. See how high it is? It goes from really high to a little bit lower over here. It's kind of like kind of an angle, but it's still almost probably 11 feet on that wall and probably 12 or 13 feet on this side. It's pretty high. Okay, over here, this is your master bedroom closet. So walk in. Sorry that it's a little bit dark. And this is the master bathroom. As you can see, everything here has been renovated. So you have, you know, the nice wood cabinets you have in the kitchen. They all mesh with the same top. And then over here you have this beautiful shower. Let me show you the shower from top to bottom. It's tiled all the way to the top, and it has a very nice custom work in the middle of it. Very nice. And you have tile all the way around. And another thing this condo units have is big windows. For people that like bright rooms, this is nice because they have such a big windows in all the rooms. Here's another look of the living room. And over here to your right, you have a lanai. So very convenient for you, if you want to go outside and just relax. Very nice. Okay, we're back over here for the kitchen. Give you another quick close look. Like I said before, this is your laundry. Show you again. And over here is your guest bathroom. See, everything matches in this house. They really did a nice job renovating this bathroom. Very nice. And then over here we come to bedroom number 1. And as you can see, the big window that I was talking about. And then you have your closet over there. Like I was saying, what makes it really nice also this unit is the location. Here's the other room. Stand over here. That's your closet over there, and let me stand over here so you can visualize the size. They're pretty nice big rooms. Okay, like I was saying before, what really is nice about this unit is the location. You're like very close to Fort Myers Beach. Also, if you're gonna go in a car, you're very close to Sanibel and Captiva. Actually, you're very close to the main entrance before the bridges. So it's nice that you're that close to the beach. If you're thinking about buying this as a second home and want to be close to the beach, you have very quick access to Fort Myers Beach. It's a couple miles from here, and then you also have pretty quick access to the bridges that lead you to Sanibel and Captiva. And another thing is that if you're here and you don't have a car, you also have a lot of convenience because you have everything walk distance. You got supermarkets, stores, everything's really nice. You can actually walk or go on a bike ride. That's nice. And they also have a real good bus stop that can take you everywhere. From that bus stop, you could get in that bus and then you could move around in case you don't have a car. So those are some of the convenience that the owner told us that to let everybody know. So check out the counter over here with these little chairs. Very convenient because that way you save a lot of space with these chairs. Okay. Well, I'm going to still go around one more time and I'll be finishing this video. If you want more information, like I said before, for pricing and for square footage and more information, feel free to go to the description below, click on the link, and that will give you the full report. With the full report, you have more pictures, you have a description of the property and a lot more information. So, and also the price, very important. So check it out. And if you like to see more videos like this and more area videos of Fort Myers and Cape Coral area, Southwest Florida, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I put videos all the time, so that way you can familiarize yourself with this great area. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to call us. You can call my wife at 239-410-7372. And just ask her, if you have any questions on this unit or anything related real estate in Southwest Florida. So my wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 20 years. So we're pretty experienced. So if you're thinking to move or buy something as a second home, second place to, you know, when it gets cold up there, you will decide to come down here. And we're here for you, okay? Signing off from Fort Myers, very close to Fort Myers Beach.